Hello children, welcome back to the science class. Previous session we have completed unit 2 universe and space lesson activities. From this session we are going to see about unit 3 polymer chemistry lesson activities. Let's see. Children, already you know that about molecules and polymers. From this activity, compare the following things: ice cubes and a polythene bag. In both the materials, there are large number molecules combined together, are both polymers. Polymers are very long chains made of repeating smaller molecules called monomers that are joined together by covalent bonds, and the process is called polymerization. Nylon. Nylon is a synthetic fiber. Nylon is very strong and can be used for rock climbing. Nylon is a plastic polymer made of chemical units called polyamides. Polyamides are made with monomers, hexamethyldiamine and adipic acid. Solid chips of these polyamides are melted and forced through a heater spinneret which has very tiny holes. So nylon is very strong fiber, synthetic fiber. It can be used for rock climbing and making parachute, and mountaineering can be used for rock climbing. How strong is nylon? Take an iron stand with a clamp. Take samples of cotton, wool, nylon and silk threads of about 50 cm in length. First, tie cotton thread to the stand so that it hangs freely from it. At the free end, attach a CD as plate so that weights can be placed on it. Add weights starting from 10 grams one by one until the thread breaks. Note down the total weight required to break the cotton thread. Repeat the same activity with the wool, silk and nylon threads. All the varieties of thread should be of same thickness. Uses of plastics. It is estimated that every year we use a trillion plastic carry bags, 2 million a minute around the world, and out of which only 1 to 3% are recycled. Every year we use a trillion plastic carry bags. That means 2 million a minute around the world, and out of which only 1 to 3% are recycled. And plastic has been around for less than 200 years. Edmund Alexander Perks was the creator of the first plastic called Parkinson. PLA plastics. We have seen that synthetic cloths are made from plastic. Every time we wash synthetic cloths, small fibers called microfibers escape and end up in the soil, streams, rivers and oceans. Dangerous pollution called persistent organic pollutants, POPs, floating in the ocean stick to these small pieces of plastic, making them toxic. Marine animals such as shrimp and fish often eat microplastics, confusing them for their natural sources of food. The toxic buildup in these animals and move up the food chain and can end up in our bodies. Microplastics can be found in the food we eat, the water we drink, and the air we breathe. So keep your mind, children. Plastic is very dangerous for our life and our environment. A recipe for PLA compostable plastic. What do you need? 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin available at the pharmacy, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 5% acidity, 4 tablespoons of water, cooking spoon, cooking pot, stove and aluminum foil. Method: mix the water with the starch in a cooking pot. Add the vinegar and the glycerin. Mix all the ingredients on medium heat. Make sure you continuously stir. The mixture should turn from liquid white into a clear gel. When it begins to bubble, then it is ready and should be taken off the stove. Spread the gel onto the aluminum foil. Let it cool down for 1 hour. You can shape the material to form a cup or bowl. Let the article you made cool for another 24 hours before you try and use it. The important points from this lesson. Fibers can be natural or synthetic. Our increasing consumption and production of waste has negative impacts on humans, animals, and the environment. Nylon is a synthetic fiber made from petrochemicals, oil, and gas. Polycot is a mixture of polyester and cotton. Polywool is a mixture of polyester and wool. Synthetic fibers melt on burning, while cotton fibers catch fire on burning. Polymers are very long chains made of repeating smaller molecules called monomers that are joined together with different types of bonds. Plastics that get deformed easily on heating and can be bent are known as thermoplastics. Next, plastics that do not get deformed easily on heating and cannot be bent are known as thermosetting plastics. There are many different types of plastics, some of which are safe or unsafe for us. We can find out what type of plastics an item is by identifying the resin code or acronym found on it. Polylactic acid or polylactide is a biodegradable and bioactive thermoplastic. The management of plastics can be considered by the 5R principle: refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover, as well as to landfill. Bacteria discovered by scientists that digest plastic resin code as 1 pipette used to make single-use drinks bottles. Thank you, children. Let's see the next session.